Hello friends, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is May 21st, 2022. Hope you're all doing well. Market is very volatile. Let's take a look at rock solid companies growing faster than the industry. So with that, I got a company here, ABBV. It's putting patients first. Companies growing very nicely. Let's look at companies like ABBV, which are doing very well and growing faster than the industry. Let's jump in and get started. So in today's segment, we'll do a quick market update, look at rock solid companies growing faster than the industry, and let's look at few long plays. So this is where we can buy these stocks for long haul. Let's get started here. From a market update perspective, look, we are in the extreme fear zone. This is when we buy rock solid companies and double down and keep it for a long time. I can see us going into a fear zone and finally into neutral zone as you go forward. As situations improve, as China improves, Russia Ukraine situation improves, and interest rates starts coming down, we can see situation improving at this time. Right now situation is not great. That's why we're in the extreme fear zone. So with that, let's get started here. All right, so look, from a market perspective, we are actually going down. Look, we've been down since April here, and there is some small uptick here. I would not trust this uptick here, but we'll see how it goes. Our job is to buy rock solid companies and hold it for long haul. Look, same story here. S&P 500 also down nicely. One nice candle here, a green candle, but otherwise look, everything is going down off late. This is when we buy rock solid companies on a bargain basement price. Look, oil is a little bit strong here, and gold is also strong, which is safe haven. Interest rates are climbing higher slowly but surely. So with that, let's get started here. Look, we are looking at companies growing faster than the industry. So what we're doing here is we're looking at solid financials. We want companies to have solid financials. We have industry standard Altman Z score. We want Altman Z score to be more than 2. That tells you there is no issue with these companies, financially very stable. And look, we want Piotrowski F score to be more than 5. Piotrowski F score is a industry standard when it comes to consistency of the books and accounting. Anytime it's more than 6, that tells you they got rock solid books, and books have been improving slowly but surely. So we want such companies with solid financials and improving books. And then we are looking at growth grade A or B. The grade goes all the way from A to F. A and B are rock solid here. These are Morningstar growth grades. And profitability grade is A or B, again rock solid. And financial grade is also A or B. That tells you financials also rock solid. So we want such companies with solid grades here and also solid financials. Let's take a look. All right, so we got our companies here. Look, we got top companies here. This is sorted by market cap, as you can see here. Rock solid companies, and all these companies have got positive net margin. Look here, we got positive net margin, nice and positive here. And look, top line sales growth is also positive here. All these companies are growing nicely and growing their top line very nicely. And look, right now as you look through our RSI here, most of these stocks are sold off here, with the exception of LULU here. LULU seems to be doing great. It's a solid healthcare stock, as many of you know here. And then we got here overall score. Look, all these companies have got nice overall score. Almost all of these scores is above 40. I think one of the lowest one is MSCI. I like this company also. Right now it's got low score, which is 41. Otherwise all rock solid companies. And look, all these companies have done great in 2-year and 5-year. Right now, because of because of the market decline, stocks have been dropping off in 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months, as you can see here. But overall, I think these companies are doing great here. And for the folks who want to sell some put options, we got here IV percentile. When IV percentile is high, you could safely sell some put option, make some money. Some of the companies with very high IV percentile, they may be due for earning announcement. Around the earnings, IV percentiles goes crazily high. That's what's going on here. All right, now what we'll do is we'll do a quick build here and look at the industry benchmark here. From an industry benchmark perspective, look, we got here a industry benchmark right here. Keep watch right here. We got industry benchmark here. So first benchmark is Altman Z-score. All these companies have got nice Altman Z-score about 2. That tells you financially these companies are stable. And then you got Piotrowski F-score here. This is again industry standard when it comes to how the books are doing. And look here, all these companies have got nice Altman Z-score. I mean Piotrowski F-score. Higher the better. Look, many companies have got rock solid 8 and 9 here. That tells you no issue with the books. Books are rock solid here and doing very well. Look, we got top few companies here with nice 8 grade when it comes to Piotrowski, and few companies have got a 9 grade, which is solid. Look, Abbott Labs here. Look, it's got a grade 9 when it comes to Piotrowski F score. That tells you books are rock solid. And we got few more, as you can see here. And then we got here Morningstar grades, financial, the growth and profitability. Look, all these companies have got nice grade here, either grade A or grade B. Many companies like Apple and Microsoft, look, they get a great grade A when it comes to profitability, and they get great A grade when it comes to financials. Rock solid here. And I want to draw your attention to a stock right here, Regeneron. Regeneron is one of my favorite stock. Look, it's got the perfect A grade in financials, A grade in growth, and A grade in profitability, and gets a perfect 100 score when it comes to overall score. That tells you this is a ship shop. It's a very good shape here. I think we could buy stocks like this one here. Regeneron even up here. Look, it's got RSI, which is just 50, middle of the road here. And many of these, look here, they got either grade A or grade B in financials, growth and profitability. Don't worry about market going up and down. Buy these rock solid stocks and hold them for a long time. You will do great. And if you want to be more conservative, look at stocks which are A, in at least 2 categories. They are the rock solid ones, and Regeneron is all the, it's A grade in all the 3 grades here. So it's a rock solid as it can get. Also look at the overall score here, higher the better. Few got highest score here. We got 96, 100, and so on and so forth. All rock solid companies, and few stocks have been dropped down here. Look, lows after the earnings, stock got clobbered. You can pick up such stocks here. Overall score is a little bit low here, but it's a good company. All right, let's look at few more names here. Okay, so we got the list continuing here. Look, same story. Sales growth, top line sales growth, nice and high, as you can see here. And then you got your net margin, all positive net margin. These companies are making money. No issue with the net margin, profitable companies. And look, we got here nice and high overall score here for many companies. All these are doing great, as you can see here. And now let's do a quick build here and look at the Morningstar grade. Alright, from a Morningstar grade perspective, keep watch here. This is the build that we've just done here. Look, all these companies have got nice and high Altman Z-score. No trouble when it comes to financials. And look, I love Piotrowski F-score here. Piotrowski F-score is also rock solid in many of these stocks here. It tells you all the score is above 6. That tells you these are rock solid. I like the one higher the better. Look, there is one with nice and high Piotrowski F score, which is 9, highest as it gets here. Look, that's the Waters company, WAT. You could buy such a rock solid company here. You will do great. And we got few more here with nice and high grade A here. I think it's, let's see here, maybe this one right here. Piotrowski F score 9. Next one here, WFG, $87 stock. You could buy that one also. All right, so keep a watch on financials, growth and profitability grades here. All are solid A and B grade here. And if you want to be even conservative, buy stocks like T Rowe here. It's got a nice A grade in financials, A grade in profitability. And if you're growth oriented investors, look at A grade when it comes to growth here. And we got few companies here. Look, Zoom Video stock has been beaten down big time, $89. This can go higher after the earnings. Right now it's pretty much beaten down big time, as you can see here. You could hold this company. If they acquire some company and grow, this stock can go higher. And look, we got one more with nice grade when it comes to growth here. That's IIPR. These guys have got some real estate, for cannabis industry. But with the cannabis industry going south, this stock also came down big time, as you can see here. But long term, it's got a good grade A here when it comes to growth. And if you're a profitability oriented investor, look, there are rock solid companies with nice profitability here. You could look at such companies and go from there. Look, we got a chunk of companies here, all the way from Waters and so on and so forth. Look, these are all great companies with nice profitability. You could look at such companies and invest in them for the long haul. All right, now let's look at the last slide here. We got few more with the nice overall grade here. Look, nice overall grade, all above 60 here. And they've got top line sales growth, no issue here. Net margin positive, rock solid companies. These companies make money. And let's do a quick build here and look at the industry grade. Look, we got the industry grade here, all the way from Altman Z-score to Morningstar grade when it comes to growth and profitability. All are rock solid here. Nice Altman Z-score, nice Piotrowski F-score, tells you books are rock solid here. And also nice financials and growth and profitability score. You could buy such rock solid companies. Don't worry about the inflation and stock market in the short term. You could buy these companies and sock them away. All right, so with that, let's quickly wrap up here. So market is very volatile. Be very selective and go after the companies growing faster than the industry. So we got few stocks here for long play here to invest for the long haul. Microsoft, Apple, Google, Lilly, ABBV, Abbott Labs, Lam Research, LULU, IDXX Labs, DHI, and Teradyne. All great stocks. You could take advantage and buy these stocks and hold them for a long time. So with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.